This is the XIAO ESP32S3 Sense pack from Studio. Let's unbox. Sense is in the plastic bag and I got a IoT wall sticker. In the plastic bag we got an antenna, another plastic bag and ESP32S3 board. After opening the plastic bag, finally I got our super tiny camera module. This is the ESP32S3 board. It has 14 pins, a header for connecting the camera module and an antenna connector. This one supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. It has USB Type-C port for programming. We can see two small push buttons and two LEDs on the sides of Type-C port. On the back side there is the parts for connecting the lithium-ion battery. It has inbuilt 3.7 lithium-ion battery charger, so perfect for battery operated projects. Here is the detachable OV2640 based camera module. It has a resolution of 1600 by 1200. This is the small inbuilt microphone. Finally, here is the antenna. Now let's connect all parts together. First I connected the antenna to the ESP32 board. Then I snap it the camera module and that's it. Super simple. Now let's test our XIAO Sense. For that I connected USB Type-C cable to XIAO Sense and opened the Arduino IDE. Now let's upload a sample code to our XIAO board. For that first you have to update the ESP32 boards from board manager. I already did that. Then let's open the blynk example code. Now let's select the board. For that go to Tools, Board, then select XIAO ESP32S3 board. And then select the correct port and upload the blynk code. After uploading the blynk code, you can see the on-board LED is blinking. Now let's test the camera. For that go to Sketch, Examples, select ESP32, then Camera Web Server. Here is the example code and we need to change the defined board to XIAO ESP32S3. Then change the Wi-Fi credential. And enable PSRAM from the Tools menu. Then upload the code. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor and copy the link address. Then paste it in your browser and access the webcam. Click Start to see the live footage from the camera. You can see the working. So that's it. You can see the image quality, it is awesome. This is just an intro for XIAO ESP32S3 Sense. You can buy this camera module from Studio. You can find the purchase link from description. I will make some cool projects with this module soon. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.